guys, welcome to Coaster Friends. Today we're at the Alton Towers Resort for the Fireworks 2022. It is going to be a great theme park day for some. Sad theme park day for most this year though. Yes, we are here for the Nemesis closing. And yeah, it's just going to be one of the saddest theme park days for me, but also one of the happiest. We've brought along absolutely everyone today. We've brought along ejector seat just here.
Yo!
Brought along Coaster Dad, say hello. Coaster Mum, and we've brought on a new member of the channel.
I believe so.
Say hello, Harry.
Lads, you're not even looking.
And yes, we are here. Let's get going and get on some rides. Now, if you probably haven't seen my tweet already, he is tall enough. Ejector seat has finally reached 1.4 metres. Show him the wristband. So we all know what the tradition is. We're going to Nemesis. Oh yes, bring on the beast.
I wonder if they put that on there to stop people sitting on it.
Yes, so bringing on the beast straight away.
We don't really sit there anyway.
We usually go up the top, sit on the there's grass there.
And look at the setup for fireworks this year. Wow. So the setup is absolutely massive from the fireworks.
Can Nemesis run in rain?
Yes, Nemesis can run in rain, Andre.
Oh, cool.
Because it's underground. And you can see the tower's ruins behind the fireworks setup. And it's just going to be an epic day today. New CBeebies Land entrance is still looking as fresh as what it did in May. We're not going to head down towards Nutty Squirrel and Spinball first thing. We're heading left. Alton Towers Traffic Patrol. Doing their daily rundown at the start of the day. I don't know what it's called.
You can see all the fireworks. Zoom into the
You can see all the fireworks, or good enough to zoom on.
Apparently they're using drones.
You can see them all there. They're using drone technology this year for the fireworks, which is going to be...
Belgian waffle.
oh dear. It's going to be quite the show. And there you go, Spinball Whizzers on behind us. It's testing. There's no riders on there at the moment because the app says it's closed. And, oh no, it's open. Spinball's open. Okay, get in. And Wicker Man has an hour queue, so we're going to give that a miss for now. It's going to be Nemesis and then Galactica. Then we're going to head back down to the front of the park and do Spinball Wizard, do Wicker Man, do Smiler and Oblivion. It's going to be an absolutely epic day. And just come and join us for the ride. Welcome to Jewel. The property has been repossessed since September the 6th. And you can see the property has been boarded up and is looking very tired. Now if you go into where the peepholes are, you can get a very good jump scare. Property has been repossessed. Let's hope for a better future for Jewel in 2023. We are finally here.
My first time.
28 years of operation to come to a close at 10 p.m. Yes. Your first time. It's also Harry's first time on Nemesis. How do you feel? How do you feel about Nemesis then, Harry?
Well, I've never been on it before.
It's a really fun coaster. Now, when we get down to the ride plaza, you'll see there are loads of signs around the ride saying that Nemesis is closing. And yet this is going to be a very sad day in the theme park industry for the United Kingdom. We lost Apocalypse last week. We're losing Nemesis this weekend. And we're here. This here is Nemesis Subterra, which has been under work since they announced that Nemesis was closing. And this ride here, it says this vehicle is manned by the Phalanx. So could this be a hint that this is reopening after Nemesis's retrack or during the retrack years? But we are here. We have arrived at Nemesis. The music pumping out. And you can hear the beast roaring around down the downwards helix. We have arrived.
You're funny. Right, come on, you lot.
Here we go. Welcome to Nemesis, November 2022. May this ride rest in peace. There are the closing signs over here. The Phalanx are taking over. We'll see you when we get off. We've just come off Nemesis.
It's my favourite ride and it's my first time on it and I loved it.
And how did you find it?
Absolutely crazy saying it's the first time.
This is the best ride here at Alton Towers in my opinion. It's so intense, really smooth, and I am going to miss this babe. It's going to be so sad to see this go, but we're going to head straight down to Galactica now and carry on with the vlog. We've just stepped foot off Galactica after a minor breakdown, but that means we are finished with Forbidden Valley bar the Blade. And this is going to be a me and Andrew ride. How did you find Galactica?
Really good, very smooth.
That's good. I like Galactica, it's really relaxing. You can hear the beast going round, it's roaring, it's absolutely flying round today. I've had probably the best ride I've ever had on Nemesis there.
This is the best time I've been to.
And yeah, this is just, it's riding so well because it doesn't want to close and it knows it's going to close. Yeah, so this is why. But we're going to get on the Blade now with a noisy generator. See you there. There's Nemesis, everybody. Stepped a foot off the Blade. It's not the most spectacular pirate ship, but it's a fun ride. Anyway, we are now heading down towards Wicker Man and Spinball Whizzer, which is down that way. After we have walked past the absolutely amazing Nemesis gun, but quickly, let me show you these signs. These are the signs here. It says Nemesis closing by order of the Phalanx, 6th of the 11th. Yeah, so those signs are pretty accurately detailed, and it makes me excited for what's going to happen in the future around Forbidden Valley, especially after seeing what has happened with Nemesis of Terror and the way that the Phalanx has had this area done. But this is just going to be, yet again, like I said earlier, one of the happiest and saddest days I've ever had in a theme park, with Nemesis closing. But yeah, let me just show you the update on Project 40. This is what it's looking like now, and it has the Phalanx repossessed here. It's a major reference to them when they are mentioned during the Nemesis closure. So I have a feeling that this could be back for 2023 or 2024, depending on the way that Nemesis is going to happen and the closing of they're going to do that later today. But we're going to walk through Katanga Canyon, have a nice stroll past the pizza and pasta buffet, check some of the prices for you and queue times update on our way down towards Wicker Man. See you there. Jewel, it is property repossessed, as these signs are saying, and they have a phone number on them, and the signs are like this. And there's a lot of boarding around the outside of the main castle, if I just show you right here, and it just giving me hints that it's going to be refurbed for the 2010. It's looking a little bit. I hope they keep the facade because it's one of the nicest theme park memorabilia. It's been there for 30 years. So I really do hope they keep that element of Jewel. Anyway, talking about our area of Forbidden Valley, we had a ride on Nemesis in the back, we had a ride on Galactica in the back, and we had a middle row ride on the Blade. So it was alright, but anyway, it's Wicker Man time now, and we'll see you there when we get to feed the flames with the Bjornen. Time has come for the Wicker Man to rise. Together we shall feed the flames. Let's get on. Time has come for the Wicker Man to rise. How was that, Harry?
Amazing. So quick.
It was amazing.
It was running so fast
I had
as well.
my hand up the whole way.
Yeah, it was absolutely brilliant. So smooth. Unbelievably smooth that was. We've just had an absolutely brilliant ride there. The airtime, I had a looser restraint than normal. That was running faster than what it was in May at night. So that is going to be so much better running around in the dark. Wow. Welcome to the Dark Forest, home to Rita and 13. 13 is closed at the moment. And here is Rita, and hi Andrew. Yeah, 13's been down all day, unfortunately. There's it is over there, 13. It has been closed all day and there's no chance of it reopening apparently. And there's Rita going round over there, which you can see. And we're going to get on. So, see you when we come off Rita.
They used to have about this much so they used to jump and leap. And they used to have you could still get
So I've just stepped foot off Rita and I'm feeling strange.
You should have seen my face. I couldn't breathe, so I was like this.
So we've just come off Rita and I did not enjoy that. It was really rough. That was the worst ride I think I've ever had on an Intamin roller coaster. That was the worst ride I've done at Alton Towers, I'd say. That has just fell majorly in my rankings, that has. I was on row 4 and it was just not great. I did not enjoy that. So Rita at the moment now is sat in 6th place in my rankings, which I'm just not happy with it. That was a shame. It was a letdown from Rita. But we have a mixed opinion because I didn't enjoy it, but Andrew and Harry did.
Yeah, but you didn't get your head back. You numpty.
I didn't keep my head back. That's why. Next time you go on Rita, keep your head back. Let's have some lunch. Look what we have here. We have just picked up our food from the burger kitchen. I've had the crispy chicken fillets, chips, a water and some sauce. This looks incredible. Welcome to 13. The scariest roller coaster ride in the world, apparently. It's not, it's just a tame little family coaster. And from this queue line, absolutely stunning view of Rita. Rita hasn't been running great today, unfortunately. It's running quite slow and it's running quite rough, but 13, it's just reopened, so hopefully it's running well. We'll see you when we get off. We've just stepped foot off 13. I'm surprised it's actually open today. That is great fun, great ride. I really do enjoy that. It's one of my faves here. It's gone back up in my rankings since, but yeah, great ride. Now we're going to head down to Spinball Wizard, Smiler and Oblivion and head to the Fireworks Spectacular. I was here the same time in May, and now we're back. It's Oblivion here at Alton Towers. And here is the Smiler. Just stepped foot off Oblivion, the 1998 B&M dive coaster. This ride is one of the most intense roller coasters at the park and was the world's most intense when it opened back in 1998. Yeah? Cheers. I think that's the best ride picture I think I've ever got. Oblivion, that, I'm going to make a controversial decision, that's on a par with Nemesis. I know I've done this several times, but I'm going to go with Nemesis at the top, Oblivion in second, Galactica in third. That was amazing. And I looked down if you didn't want to know. Let me just show you my ride photo from here. So, we have done the drop. Harry, how do you feel after Oblivion?
Oh my god, it's so intense.
Yeah,
It drops just.
yeah. Andrew, can I get your thoughts on Oblivion?
I couldn't breathe, but yeah, very fun.
That's good. You've done that ride that you've been wanting to do for years. But there we have it. we're now going to try our luck on Wicker Man and Spinball Wizard, because Wicker Man's been on one train all day. But we'll see you down there. The Smiler here at Alton Towers, going strong for season number 9. Wonder what Alton Towers will do for its 10th anniversary, because that will be next season. And yeah, we've had a couple of jewels, we've seen them today. We've had 2 jewels so far, that's the 3rd one we've just seen. Front row special there, we have the 2 crazy airtime moments, which both provide some awesome airtime. You have the Batwing, the Cobra Roll, and then you have all the other inversions, and here it comes now. You have a perfect duel. It's perfect duel, that is. And that completes X Sector. Mutiny Bay and Adventureland left to go. We've just stepped foot off Wicker Man, and we are now heading towards Nemesis for one final ride, and then I'll put in a few highlights of the fireworks show for you, and then we'll head back down towards Wicker Man for a night. So we'll see you in a bit. We have made it. The time has arrived, which I didn't want it to arrive. I'm going for my last ride on Nemesis. In the rain.
No, the rain's stopping now.
Yeah, but yeah, this is going to be it. It's all lit up in red. Noisy generators lighting it all up, but
It'll just go from black to black.
this is it, and I am so upset that we're losing this ride. It's such a sad day for the UK theme park industry. Here it is, it's in red. It's here.
Well, I just said 3 to meet us down.
We're here.
If he gets to go on it, he gets to go on it. When we get on it, it's going to be a bit darker in there.
It's in red. This is it, and I am so sad to be losing the best roller coaster in the United Kingdom and quite potentially in the world. Nemesis, you've been amazing for the past 28 years, and I will miss you. It will be missed across the whole UK theme park industry. Nemesis, world's most intense ride experience. Rest in peace. All lit up in its beautiful red lighting. All lit up in red lighting, music pumping out. This is such a sad theme park day. Step foot off our last ride on Nemesis. This is just such a sad day for the theme park industry.
What are we doing then, people?
Seeing this ride close.
Do you know what as well? Shall I just point
Nah.
out people? Hello!
You can barely see us.
That was my best ride yet on it. It was so fast.
It was absolutely flying round, wasn't it, Harry? It was flying round that track. Yeah, it was absolutely stunning, that was. I'm really going to miss the ride, I am. But we do know in 2024 that'll be back better and stronger. And the way they've left this in at the moment, this is going to be such a better ride when it reopens. And yeah,
Robert, how many
I'm
times
gonna
has
miss it.
Blake- Robert, how many times has Blake?
we've just stepped foot off Galactica for one last time this season. That was running great. We were on the back row of Galactica, and now we're trying to squeeze in a ride on Wicker Man before the fireworks begin. And as I said, we're going to put in some footage of the fireworks for you. And yeah, I've absolutely loved this late night riding tonight. So Wicker Man now,
Robert, this way.
at night, and they have removed the entrance sign. I don't think you can see it. They've removed the entrance sign for Nemesis Subterra, which means we are going to.
They're just looking at your coat, Robert.
Which means we're going to see work happening inside of there. for 2024. So
Video bomb.
this has just been an all random vlog. This has from Alton Towers on my favourite day of the season. Yeah. If we get on Wicker Man, I'll vlog it. So see you in a bit. Time has come for the Wicker Man to rise again. Time number 3 at Wicker Man. And oh, this queue is huge, but good. Look at how good this looks at night. This looks amazing at night. Let's get going on Wicker Man! Wow. We've just had our night ride on Wicker Man there, and that was absolutely flying around. We were in row 5, however we got some absolutely epic airtime on that. Every single hill we went over, we got airtime. Every single drop we went down, we got airtime. It was absolutely incredible. Not long now to go until the fireworks begin. I'll put in some highlights for you. Whoa! That's not the England song on TV.
I'll send an SOS to her. I'll send an SOS to her. I hope that someone gets. I'll send an SOS to her. I'll send an SOS to her. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I'll send an SOS to her. I'll send an SOS to her. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine.
That's brilliant. Brilliant.
How much money they've spent on this? Thousands. That's Nemesis. On it.
6 minutes.
Alton, can I get an oh yeah? I don't want to see any of you standing still. So get those arms in the air like you just don't care. Sachet, take it away.
Exploding to more.
Oh, this show's more for 45 minutes, Harry. 45 minutes fireworks, this is.
I got 20 minutes on mine. If Rob does it all, I'm stealing it.
Oblivion. For the most intense audio-visual experience ever devised.
Win on it.
Don't look.
Could you imagine being an Alton?
Free fireworks.
Yeah. You get annoyed though, trying to go to sleep. Yeah, but it's on for 3 days solid. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. They're being launched from the gardens.
Galactica. We've been on this twice, haven't we?
Yeah, twice.
One at night, one at second
Yeah.
night.
One. Man.
People of the forest, make yourselves known and come together. For tonight, we light the flames and summon the spirit of the Wicker Man.
I know what this music is. I definitely know what this is.
It's one of my dad's favourite songs. That's the strangest thing. No, that just then it's like the start of it is.
Smiler.
Name is Kidman. Dr. Kidman. Why so glum? It's about time the Ministry of Joy put a smile on your face.
This is my favourite.
We have just watched the Alton Towers fireworks spectacular, which was absolutely incredible. Pulling at all the heartstrings. They did a Nemesis thing in there. They did everything about each ride. It was absolutely brilliant, and it's a great way to end our season. So that'll bring an end to our vlog today. So hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.